Kiama Council of Elders has supported the move by the government to shut Mihiriga Kenda religious grouping in Kiambu County. The elders who distance themselves from the activities of the grouping urge the community to be wary of those purporting to be practicing outdated, harmful cultural practices such as female genital mutilation, FGM.
A day after the government raided Mihiriga Kenda religious grouping offices in Kiambu County, the Kiama Council of Elders have hailed the move, condemning the religious grouping of conducting harmful cultural practices.
Yale ambayo ni kuna vikundi ambayo haiendelezi mambo yao wazi, inafanya mambo kwa giza, inafanya mambo ambayo imepitwa na wakati, kama mambo ya wasichana na hiyo mambo ya ukeketaji. Hiyo ni mambo katika jamii yetu imepitwa na wakati.
Led by the national chairman Ndugu Gaithuma, the elders distanced themselves from the group, warning the community against joining the groups that are camouflaging as cultural groups.
Tuungi mkono chochote ambacho kinaharibu maisha ya binadamu, na kama hawa watu wa Kenda Muiru sio watu wa kiama.
On Friday, police officers descended on the group's headquarters, shutting them indefinitely on grounds of operating without a license amid claims the group was encouraging unorthodox practices.